Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby.
Hi, welcome back to another easy do-it-yourself dog treat video from WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery. Today we're going to be doing a simple limited ingredient dog treats that I know your dogs are going to go crazy for. Today we're doing a bison and cheddar biscuit. So grab your four-legged ones, a few things from the kitchen and a few ingredients, and let's get it started.
Now would be a great time to pause the video and we'll show you everything that you need for today. We're going to need a half a tablespoon for the cheddar cheese, also another half a spoon for our ground bison, 1/3 cup for our beef broth, and 1 tablespoon for our vegetable oil. Now we're going to grab a large size mixing bowl and a measuring cup that will equal out to 2 cups of flour, a rolling pin, parchment paper, your choice of cookie cutter, and the trays for baking. First step, we'll grab our measuring cup and measure it to 2 cups of flour, put that in our mixing bowl. Next, we'll take our half a tablespoon of our shredded cheddar cheese, add that in. Also, our other half a tablespoon and put our ground bison in. Next, we're going to grab our 1/3 measuring cup and go ahead and pour your beef broth, fill that, and then we'll add that into the mix with our flour, bison, and cheddar. Lastly, we're going to grab our tablespoon and do 6 fill-ups of our vegetable oil and add that into our mix. Let's get mixing. Took a few minutes, but we have our batter all set. We'll grab our rolling pin, our parchment paper loaded with our trays, and then your choice of cookie cutter. We're using a multiple press just for time savings. We just rolled out our first batter. Recommendations probably between a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch thickness. We're definitely on the thicker side for a 1/2 inch, so just be mindful that may take a little bit longer to bake in your oven. Go ahead and grab your preference of cookie cutter. We're going to go ahead and press it into the dough, pop them out, and then we're going to start placing them on our sheets. Now that we have our oven loaded up, we're going to go ahead and close our doors. Hopefully your cookies are ready and your oven door's closed. We'll go ahead and preset the temperature at 350, and we're going to do approximate baking time of 10 minutes. You may have to give or take 5 minutes because of the thickness of the cookies. They're all done. They're cooled off. They seem hard and crispy. Most important part now is the test.